Hey guys, JGTutorials. Today we're going to be making a background like this, typography background, using Photoshop CS5. It's a simple process. So yeah, we'll just get started. The first thing you want to do whenever you're making a desktop background is find out your screen resolution, and the easiest way to do this with Photoshop already open, press the print screen key, then go to File, New, and it should already be there. If not, then you're just going to have to go to your system settings and look that up. I'm not going to show you guys how to do that right now. But yeah, make a new Photoshop background file with the same resolution as your screen. Now we want to make the background black, so I want to make the background black for this tutorial, so then we have our background. Now make a new layer. Take the text tool, zoom out a little. Text tool, click anywhere. Now you're going to want like a small-ish kind of font. I'm using Age 1 serif font, size 16. So just type the word that you want to be in your background. So I'm just going to type, and you want the font, just make it white for now. I want it to say example, just like that. So now highlight this. I'm going to change the color. I know what color I want already. Grayish color. Sort of blends with the background. So now just take this, Control C, and paste it. And just keep doing that. Just keep copying and pasting it until it fills up a line a little bit more, so it stretches past. Like that. Whoops, alright. So this one line of text, just highlight the whole thing, copy, and just paste. I'm going to fast forward this part, but it should be bigger than the actual size of your background. A little bit through of it. I should have done this before, but you're going to want to press tab on every other thing, on every other line of text right in the beginning. Just like this. So after you're about a third of the way there, you just highlight the whole thing. You could do this earlier. I'm just doing it now. And just copy that and paste it. Makes it a lot easier. Okay, so now we have a giant wall of text that just says example. Put that right there. I'm going to press Control T and just tilt it a little bit, rotate it. So that looks good. So now you have to decide what you want the thing in the middle to say. Make a new layer. Mine is going to be text. Pick the color you want it to be. If it's a picture, it works the same way, just a bit faster. And you're going to want to lock this layer too, just in case, if it is text. You could also hide it for now. So now just write whatever you want. I'm going to write sub. Make this white. And now you can pick the font you want. I'm going to use this font, Popular STD, with the size of about, depends on the font, I'm going to use 500. Actually, I'll downsize that a little. 450. There we go. Okay. Now you could show your background again. Now what you're going to want to do, right click on this layer, and click Convert to Smart Object. Alright, so now go back to this layer, unlock it if you did. Right click it, and click Rasterize Type. Now go back to the sublayer, hold down Control and click this picture here. You should now get a selection all around your words or picture. Click on this layer again, click Edit, Cut. You can hide this layer again, make a new layer, Edit, Paste or Control V. Now just line it up. Just like that. Now on this layer, just simply go to FX, Color Overlay, and make it whatever color you want. Just like that. Well, this is how you do the typography part. But now we're going to add a vignette around the background. Let's make it look better. So make a new layer and fill it with white. Up here where it says fill, with this layer selected, drag it down to 0. Now go to FX, Inner Glow. Change the color to black. Blend mode should be normal. And then adjust the size and choke. I usually put the size around 200. And play around with the choke until you get to the size and the choke. To get it to look like what you want. So yeah, this is how you make it. That's my finished background. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, subscribe. There will be more tutorials coming back soon, and I am